Whether you're working with in-house or outsourced manufacturing, monitoring and verifying critical geometry is key to ensuring consistency with your products. Let's see how SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2022 continues to simplify and automate QA operations. The standalone versions of SOLIDWORKS Inspection have historically relied on 2D PDFs and image files to start the ballooning process. Now in 2022, support for additional file types have been introduced, including NX and the much anticipated native SOLIDWORKS drawings. Here you can start the project off by importing a SOLIDWORKS drawing directly into the standalone application, and then extracting relevant part information such as the part description, part number, and the current revision. The same smart extraction method is used to gather dimensional and tolerance characteristics needed for this report. From the title block, an additional surface profile tolerance note is additionally ballooned and extracted with just a simple click. You'll see SOLIDWORKS Inspection identifies the GD&T symbol, precision, and geometric tolerance indicators, which will all be carried downstream into your first article or in-process reports. Continuing through the extraction process, whole callouts and geometric tolerances are ballooned and remapped to the project's bill of characteristics. Investigating Balloon 5, which is home to multiple dimensional requirements, SOLIDWORKS Inspection automatically identifies each and has broken them into sub-balloons as shown in the table. Repeating these simple steps for the required tolerances and dimensional callouts is a breeze. No manual data entry required. But what if we wanted to better communicate this information from the 3D part itself? SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2022 has dramatically improved the performance and support for SOLIDWORKS part files, which can be directly added into the inspection project alongside the current 2D sheet. The extraction process is the same as in the 2D drawings, pulling in and identifying the geometric tolerance and positional information, but now ballooned onto the 3D part. During the assembly of this bracket, a few critical welds along with some surface finish requirements are also required to be inspected. Inspection 2022 now fully supports importing SOLIDWORKS assemblies to ensure proper fit, form, and function with all manufactured and assembled items. With the bill of characteristics created, this package can now be saved with all the associative 2D and 3D data without having to access any of the drawn parts or assemblies inside a SOLIDWORKS CAD. The inspection reports can be generated and include both 2D and 3D PDFs, along with all the necessary Excel documentation. SOLIDWORKS Inspection is also available directly inside of SOLIDWORKS itself as an add-in. And new in Inspection 2022 is full support for API. This highly requested enhancement helps to automate the creation, ballooning, modification, extraction, and exporting of first article and in-process inspection reports. With the all-new file type support for SOLIDWORKS drawings, parts, and assemblies, and increased automation in SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2022, there has never been a better time to revisit your current quality assurance process.